the hidden healing power of nature with ultrasonic diffusion technology. The Pure Essence Diffuser with 10 essential plant oils. Power up the Essence Diffuser and choose between 4 timer settings. Essence includes auto shutoff sensors for when water runs low. The diffuser includes 7 ambient light modes with 2 intensity settings for 14 different light combinations. The time-tested ancient remedies made with pure extracts of harvested plants used in our essential oils create powerful effects on mind, body, and overall well-being. Take advantage of each essential oil note: jasmine, eucalyptus, lavender, lemongrass, clove, peppermint, orange, tea tree, nutmeg, and spearmint oils. Relieve symptoms of sinus congestion, sore throat, and boost immunity with eucalyptus oil. Promote calmness and relaxation before going to bed with lavender oil. Invigorate the body and boost mood and energy with jasmine and peppermint oils. Relieve stress, promote relaxation, and lift your spirit with the Ultimate Essence Diffuser Set. Brought to you by Pure Daily Care.